Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are I can multiply two-digit numbers. So that's what you're going to be working on today, multiplying with two-digit numbers. There are 5 examples here on this first slide that we're going to do together as a class during the meet. On the second slide, there is a multiplication chart. So if you are struggling to multiply a number, you can use this multiplication chart. And on the third slide, we have the slide that you're going to do. And there are 3 numbers that you will multiply. 64 times 4, 72 times 55, and 23 times 45. Directions: solve these multiplication problems. You need to show your work. So you can't just put the number after it. You can do this in 2 ways. One, you could use the pen and use that to help you. So if I use the pen and I do 4 times 4, that's 16. I would use the pen to write and show my work. Or you can write it out on paper and take a picture of it and then add it to this slide. So either one works, but you do have to show your work.